session today with somebody way up on my food chain. And after an hour and a half of the coaching session, he mentioned the biggest takeaway that I got today was to prioritize. I'm good at activity, I'm good at relationships, I do a lot of things with a lot of people. But after we concentrated on the lists that I work from, I realized that one of the things I don't do enough is to prioritize and get it down to the precious few. That was his takeaway today. That's my takeaway today that I'm delivering to you. Let's prioritize more often. Let's take any list that we have and do the 20-80, the Pareto rule. 20% of this list will give us 80% of the value. 20% of those people will give us 80% of the joy and the achievement that we get out of life. So our takeaway today, let's prioritize more often. We say TPOP FCM. T-P-O-P-P FCM. That means think and plan on paper, prioritize your food chain. It'll change your life. It'll improve your life. You'll have more fun. And you'll be dealing with the things and the people and the locations that are truly meaningful to you. Thank you.